What is going on, guys? Welcome to another episode of Zach's Vlogs. My name is Zach, and today I'm going to be calling this payphone from my phone. Now, if you want to do this, I mean, not call this particular payphone, but call any payphone, you're going to have to like it usually says here, dial like *22 or something along those lines. And if you call that, and if you wanna, and it'll give you options, like whether you want to place a like a collect call, you can. Like what I do is I hit the collect call option, but I just let my phone ring and, I don't know, maybe not answer it on my phone. That way I'll have the payphone's number. So, yeah, there's a payphone here, so I don't think I'll be able to, so yeah, I'm gonna be calling, my phone from the payphone. If I can get my iPad. Oh wait. Here's the dial tone. Yeah. And what it does, English for one. Alright, so it just let me do, like, language, English, Spanish, and then I'm putting in my phone number, and then I say my name. Then it gives you options, collect call, credit call, collect call, credit card call, or calling card call. It gives you 3 options. I'm going with collect call. Hold on. Zach. Listen to this. So then it does some special number that the payphones use. And then, now, my phone's ringing. So I can choose to answer it, and then it'll give me options on my phone on whether to accept or not. Or I can just hang up. Simple as that. And then it plays this really nice music, which I'm not sure is copyrighted or not, but a little snippet won't hurt. Alright, that's about it. Yeah. I used that, yeah, just a little snippet that that song wouldn't hurt. Fair use. It's in effect for everyone. If I get a copyright strike, then, nothing much I can do about that. I can just let it happen. Like, fair use and all that stuff. YouTube and bots and stuff. But anyways, yeah, that's how you, call your phone from a payphone. And there are, hold on, the cord's tangled. Can't have a tangled cord. Alright, and there are 4 of these. I showed you one of them in that, in my last video, which was that Lyft review. This was the yeah. Let me show you around it. It's Pacific Telemanagement Services. It's pretty neat. Here's the keypad. And here's what it says on the bottom here. Yeah. It's a payphone. Suppose it's still around. But anyways, guys, I'm gonna... Did I accidentally say... I think I said a combination between guys and gays, so it's kind of like guy or something. There's a lot of stuff on my vlogs that I say or mispronounce that I just laugh at when I watch them. But anyways, guys, I'm gonna end the vlog here, okay? Okay, until next time, this is Zach, out.